Deploying Django projects on AWS, a step-by-step guide. Deploying a Django project to production is vital. It makes your app accessible to users. Amazon Web Services, AWS, has a strong cloud infrastructure. It offers a reliable, scalable platform for deploying Django apps. This guide will walk you through deploying a Django project on AWS. We will cover everything. This includes setting up your environment and configuring your app for production. This guide will help both beginners and experienced developers. It demonstrates AWS service integration for reliable Django project production deployment. Setting up your AWS environment. Creating an AWS account. If you don't have an AWS account, sign up at aws.amazon.com. AWS has a free tier. It lets you use many services at no cost for the first 12 months. It's perfect for testing and learning. Configuring security groups. Security groups are a firewall for your EC2 instances. They control inbound and outbound traffic. Create a security group. It must allow SSH, port 22, from your IP address. It must also allow HTTP, HTTPS, ports 80 and 443, from all IPs. Connecting to your EC2 instance. Once your EC2 instance is up and running, you can connect to it using SSH. You'll need to use a key pair, private key, that AWS provides during the instance creation process. Use an SSH client like PuTTY, Windows, or the terminal, Linux, macOS, to connect. Installing and configuring Django. Installing Python and pip. Most EC2 instances have Python pre-installed. You can check and install it using the package manager. Sudo apt-get install Python 3. Verify the Django app on the EC2 instance before deployment. This confirms its correct functioning. This will ensure the correct configuration of everything. Setting up a database on AWS RDS. Creating an RDS instance. Navigate to the RDS console in AWS and create a new database instance. Choose a database engine, e.g., PostgreSQL. Then, configure the instance's settings, like instance type, storage, and database name. Backing up your database. AWS RDS provides automated backups and manual snapshot options. Set up automated backups to meet your retention needs. Configuring Gunicorn and Nginx for Django. To run your Django app in production, set up a WSGI server like Gunicorn and a reverse proxy like Nginx. Gunicorn will handle app requests. Nginx will be a front-end server that forwards requests to Gunicorn. Securing your Django application. To secure your app with HTTPS, use Let's Encrypt. It provides a free SSL certificate. Install CertBot on your EC2 instance. Then, follow the steps to generate and install the SSL certificate. Use AWS CloudWatch to check your Django app's performance and log events. Set up alarms for critical issues, like high CPU usage or app errors. It will send you an urgent response request. Conclusion. In conclusion, deploying a Django project on AWS may seem daunting. But, by following these steps, you can ensure a smooth, secure deployment. AWS offers tools and services. They help you manage your app's infrastructure, security, and scalability.